Good afternoon, everybody. Yes, I have come back with Sam energy, and yes, a very tantalizing topic we are going to discuss today. Okay, huh? You must have heard about the topic that is called question tags. Huh? If you are thinking that, yeah, I know this topic, maybe you know, of course, but today I'm gonna ask you some of questions, and here you can decide whether you should watch this video or not. If you are able to answer these questions, definitely no need to watch that video. But if you are struggling making these kind of sentence, you must watch. Fine. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's focus on the topic. मैं एक टीचर हूं, क्या मैं नहीं हूं? ठीक है, मैं एक टीचर हूं, क्या मैं नहीं हूं? तुम इंग्लिश के बारे में बहुत पैशनेट हो, क्या तुम नहीं हो? लाइट जा सकती है, क्या लाइट नहीं जाएगी? चलिएगा. So question takes. So like I have written some of sentences like मैं एक शरारती बच्चा हूँ, क्या मैं नहीं हूँ? I know, I know. So लाइट जा सकती है, क्या ये नहीं जा सकती है? हाँ, मेरे दादाजी के पास 4 हेलीकॉप्टर थे. Actually we used to tell lie in childhood ना, कि मेरे दादाजी का इतना बड़ा बांस था, उसे बादल में छेद कर देते तो बरसात हो जाती थी. हाँ, my grandfather had, like 1,000 bigha land, like we used to be king in our area. These kind of things we used to tell a lie a lot. So मेरे दादाजी के पास 4 हेलीकॉप्टर थे. हाँ थे भाई, थे, सच बता रहा हूँ. चलिएगा. तो मुझे तो फ्लुएंट बनना ही है, क्या मैं नहीं बनूंगा? हाँ. So like are you able to make these kind of sentences? Just try. Let me unfold these sentences. मैं एक शरारती बच्चा हूँ. Like कैसे बनेगा? सिंपल कि I am a mischievous child. अब इसका टैग कैसे बनेगा? देखो, I know so many people must have made this sentence like amant I. Like, are you one of them who has like made this sentence like that, amant I? So I will let you know, is it right or wrong? Okay. You have understood it's not right. Okay. So लाइट जा सकती है, क्या ये नहीं जा सकती, या फिर क्या नहीं जाएगी? So इसको कैसे बनाएंगे? लाइट कैन गो. है बड़ी बड़ा ही सेइंग, लाइट कैन गो. लाइट हैज कम. अरे यूजुअली वी डोंट से लाइक लाइट हैज कम, वी यूजुअली से लाइक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज अ बैक. या फिर यू कैन से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी has been restored. You can say there is a electricity now. Fine. You can say electricity is back. Fine. So light जा सकती है. There could be a power cut. There could be a power cut. So क्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं जा सकती या नहीं जाएगी? तो कैसे बनाओगे इसको? हाउ टू मेक? फाइन. अगर इफ यू आर थिंकिंग कुड से ही बन जाएगा, सो हियर यू आर नॉट राइट. सो ये कैसे बनेगा? वांट इट. एग्जैक्टली, वांट इट. तो यहाँ वांट क्यों आया है? Why did I use want except could? So let me tell you, if it is a possibility, so definitely you have to use like want. But if it is an ability, so you can use simply like modals in tags. Okay, there is no problem. हाँ, so let's go ahead. मेरे दादाजी के पास 4 हेलीकॉप्टर थे भाई. हाँ, he used to park these helicopters on his terrace. हाँ, एक सच बोल रहा हूँ, there is no lie in this. So my grandfather had 4 helicopters. ठीक है, अब मैं पूछ रहा हूँ क्या नहीं थे? Do you have any doubts? So didn't he? कैसे बनेगा? Didn't he? क्या नहीं थे? Do you have any doubt? Of course I know you don't have any doubt. मुझे तो फ्लुएंट बनना ही है. क्या मैं नहीं बनूंगा? तो you know very well I must be fluent. हाँ, क्या मैं नहीं बनूंगा या फिर मैं क्या मैं नहीं बन सकता? तो डेफिनेटली क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? Won't I? Won't I? Fine. हाँ, इफ यू आर थिंकिंग कि सर यहाँ पर mustn't, ये क्यों नहीं है? Mustn't I? So as I told you already, you know, if it is a possibility, so use like will ya want. Fine. But if it is a ability, then use like modals in tags. Fine. So it is just a like demo, and now I'm going to let you know each and every tags. Okay, so don't be so nervous if you had not understood. Okay, but I know you have understood. So go ahead. I am enjoying this class. इसे मान लेते हैं कि मैं क्लास के मजा ले रहा हूँ. ठीक है, I am enjoying this class, या फिर you are enjoying. चलो, because you are also enjoying ना. You are enjoying this class. क्या तुम नहीं मजे ले रहे हो? So क्या होगा? Of course, aren't you? Aren't you? Like if it is about me, like I am enjoying this class. So क्या होगा? Hey, एमेंट नहीं होता है. It doesn't exist. एमेंट. Fine. So क्या होगा? Aren't I? Aren't I? एमेंट नहीं होता है, ध्यान रखिएगा. So fine. So you can make like these question tags in like any sense, like continuity, simple. Let's take one example related to simple. Like I'm very funny. I am a very funny person. ठीक है. So how can I make like question tag? तो इसका तो सिंपल ही बन जाएगा कि aren't I? Oh, aren't I या aren't I? हाँ, you caught me. Aren't I? Fine. ठीक है. You speak English. You speak English. You speak English. तो कैसे बनेगा? Don't you? But you know, like we make questions like with do na in present simple, in present. present simple do से ही बनता है, तो you के साथ do ही आता है. You know very well. So let's take one more example. She eats pani puri at 5 o'clock. I have full information about her. Okay, she eats pani puri at 5 o'clock. So here of course we will use does ही करेंगे because it's a plural. So डजंट डजंट शी, क्या वो नहीं खाती है? फाइन. अब लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल. हाँ, वी, जैसे वी विल इनॉग्रेट, हाँ, वी विल इनॉग्रेट इंग्लिश वर्ल्ड ऑन 25th. हाँ, सो क्या बनेगा? वॉन्ट वी, of course, हाँ, and it's true. Okay, it's a real. We are going to have a great grand celebration on 25th, 8, 9 o'clock a.m. हाँ, you are invited. Okay, don't take it lightly. I'm serious. Fine. So you have understood. Usually we make question tags simply. Okay. हाँ, हाँ. But. Now we are going to learn some like advanced things, okay? Because these basic things most of people know already. Fine. So let's go ahead. शायद कोई तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा होगा. शायद कोई तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा होगा. हाँ. Someone might be waiting for you. So what will we take? What did you say? Like my tent someone? Hey buddy. No, you are not right here. Okay. There is one locha here. Okay. So like you can't say like my tent someone. Okay, it's wrong. So someone you need to say here, and like won't they? Why did I use here like won't? I need to let you know कि like might, could, may. You have to use like will, like if the question is already negative, so you have to use will. ये तो opposite ही होते हैं ना. अगर if this part is like negative, definitely take will be positive. If question sentence is our positive, so it will be negative. You know this already in question tags. ठीक है ना, दोनों अपोजिट होंगे एक दूसरे के. हाँ, सो हियर विल या want, you will have to use. So fine, that's why I used here want them. There is one beautiful thing here कि they. Why did I use they? For someone, you are saying someone is like singular. So like won't he or she, if you say, so it can be like right grammatically, but the thing is that he and she, it's so bookish. Okay, in modern English, in natural English, we use they for like for everyone, someone, anyone, like nobody, everybody. So we use usually they. So make sure, okay, they. Take this example. You might get this job. क्या तुम ये जॉब नहीं ले सकते? क्या तुम ये जॉब नहीं पा सकते? तो हियर यू कैन से माई टेंट. तो टेक क्या बनेगा? व्हाट विल बी टेक? माई टेंट. You know why did I not use here like want. So let me tell you, it's a ability. When we talk about ability, make sure this ability. So you have to use in tag, you have to use, like modal in tags, okay? But if it is a just a possibility, you have to use, you have to use, like want, ठीक है, फाइन. सो अब नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव या विल देख ले, इट कैन बी विल एज वेल, ओके, if the like question is positive. So got it. And let's take one more example. जैसे आज आज हाँ, आज बारिश हो सकती है यार, या फिर हाँ आज बारिश हो सकती है, इट मे रेन टुडे, it may rain today. So what will be take? Want, want it. Why want? Because it's a possibility की हो भी सकती है, नहीं भी हो सकती, it's a possibility, so you have to use want. But if it is a ability, so you have to use like modal. Let's take, you could go there, you could go there. अब couldn't you? Why couldn't here? Because it's a ability, because like you can do this. You can speak English, can't you? Fine. So this is the tag, question tags. If you have any doubt, any question in your mind, so okay, so please let me know, okay? Definitely you will be answered, okay? Just have your doubt in comment box. Definitely it will be responded, okay? So finally, bye bye, have a nice dream, sweet dream, nice night if it is a night, nice day if it is a day, a nice afternoon if it is a afternoon, okay? Bye bye, take care.